Hey guys, how's it going? Ghost Richard today, and today we're going to be swapping out the belt on the Chevy S10 for the Serpentine. All you got to do, see down here, we've got to come over here, you'll feel the socket go in there. You can see it right there. Watch this. See how I'm doing that? That's your tensioner. If you feel that this is getting stuck or anything, you might want to replace your tensioner while you're at it, or if you've had any bearing noise from your idler pulley here, and of course the tensioner pulley itself. So watch this. See how it's nice and loose now that I've bent it down? Go ahead, take the belt off the alternator pulley. This is the best one to go off of. Do this. I kind of bent this down at a really crummy angle. So what I'm going to do is leave that there for a sec, and then up here, take the rest of the belt off. Okay, let's go ahead and show you how this is done. Make a loop. See this? This loop comes down here, and we have to get it lassoed around that bottom pulley, your crank pulley or harmonic balancer, whatever you want to call it. And all we do is we fish it down so it goes around that big pulley. Put it all the way around. Now, after it goes around, it goes under the fan. Under the fan, like so. So see how we've now made a complete loop around there? Then this will come around here, go around this one down here, which you'll have to work it around the power steering pump lines, which is fun. Again, goes down past power steering. And let's see. There we go. It's around the power steering. And then it goes over top of our new pulley here. If not, you have the AC compressor. Put it over the top of the AC compressor. Under here. And then this one, I've got to make sure it's not twisted, which it is. All I got to do is rotate this. So it's on here. This comes here. And let me see. It's probably just not going to fit onto the alternator, which is great. Perfect. So there's two ways you can do this. One, put it on the alt. And then once we flex our pulley, which is right here, let's see what way I'm gonna go with it. Oh, other way. We now bring it down so it's nice and loose, a little looser. Ooh, that's actually way better tensioning. And then see how we've got it under here now, slipped underneath, release tension. And oh, look for this. See how this one didn't quite seat? We want to make sure they're all seated. Let go. We're going to just double check, make sure all of them are riding properly. So again, let's go over this. Comes off the alternator, under the idler, over the AC, delete here, or if you have AC, over the AC, over the power steering, all the way around, 3/4, up, over, and all the way down, over the crank, again, another, I don't know, 3/4 turn, and then up and over the tensioner. I'll bring you in over here for a sec, just so you can see it. And if all else fails, if you don't have the sticker, as we can see, it goes like that, around, and up and around. Super easy. All right, I hope that helped you out.